Are we buying crash 500? Why am I buying crash 500? I'm buying crash 500 because it has gotten to my strong zone, a key zone on this chart, right? And on the 1 hour time frame, you can see this is a support. Market just moved from the support after a little rejection. After this small rejection here, market just moved from this support and it will start buying, it will start going up, right? So I'm feeling bad now because I would have opened a position at that point, but I don't know why I didn't do that already. So it has actually gone far, over 8 minutes now. It has gone far and I'm not happy. I just wanted to show you guys something. That's why I didn't open that position. So what I'll be doing now, I don't know if it's really cool for me to enter that from that zone, because if I enter from that place, my SL will be down here, right? My SL will be down here, and the entry is very, very long. It's far from my entry. Okay. While I'm talking, it's still going, it's still moving, right? So I think the best thing to do is just to buy it at that point. So remember, I told you guys to always use this line, this horizontal line, to know where market is likely gonna reverse. Okay, you see, like now, market reversed exactly at this point. I placed this stuff since yesterday, and market touched that line and started pushing up. All right, so I think I should buy. I'm just confused at this moment because I don't want to buy any spikes. I don't want to buy any spikes. So probably maybe I'll wait for the first spike to happen, then I'll jump in, right? I didn't notice that my entry would have been there. Just here, immediately closes. Immediately closes, market closed. My entry would have been here. My entry would have been here. So if I told I'm buying, I'll buy with a very small lot size so that in case it spikes, it doesn't take much from me. So I think I should do that right now. I should buy with 0.5, 0.5. Okay, just open 0.5 right there. Okay, 0.5 right there. Yeah. Okay, so I'll give my people the signal right away. Good morning, team. So this is my channel, my VIP. Sorry, this is my VIP. So I need to inform them that I'm about to drop signal. All right, that's gone far. I'm not happy. I don't like my entry. Okay, so I just dropped that signal there. Okay, after setting dropping the signal, I'll be giving them the SL. SL will be down here. All right, SL will be down there. SL down here. Okay. SL right there. So just place my SL, and my TP will be up to this point. TP1 will be up to this point. TP right there. TP right there. Modify. All right. And TP2 up here. Right. Okay, so I just set my TP1, TP2, and my stop loss. Okay, So now I'll be sending it to my people, right? TP1, TP2. Okay, guys, so you can see we're still running profits. We're still running profits. I opened to lot size, like few places right there. So we're still running good profit, guys. We're still running good profit, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen right there. We missed. I'm so unhappy right now because we missed all these entries, all this level here. Would have entered here just right at this point, and we've been into almost 2 times or more than what we are in now, right? We are seeing like $7 each position at this point, right? So yeah, well, all good, right? Let me quickly check the smaller accounts that I open just one entry, just one entry. Okay, so here we open just one position. You can see we're just running on just $2 in profits. Okay, it's not enough. So I think for that I'll be targeting the second TP, which is somewhere here. Somewhere here. My second TP was somewhere here. But I'm seeing market moving for a long time. Okay, market will be going up for a very long time, right? So now my reason for this trade will be this is an uptrend. You can see that this is an uptrend. Market has been going up. Market has been going up. Let me delete all this out so that I can run the analysis again. Okay, so market has been going up, right? Going up. So now market dropped down again to push up again. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low here. Market is about to create another higher high, which is around this point here. So I cannot target this high or target somewhere a bit lower than the high, so that in case market decides to start dropping or create something like a double top, it might just hit my TP and start dropping, right? So that's why my take profit is somewhere here. The take profit is somewhere here, and my stop loss is down here, right? So yeah. Now, how did I find the entry? My entry, because market has reversed here. Remember what I've been telling you guys, market has reversed here over time, this level here. And so market reversed here and reversed here, okay? All right, if you go back again, you see that market has been reversing and respecting this line. You can see that, you can see this. So I know that markets will reverse again around this zone, around this level, around this line here, So I was waiting for market to drop to that point, though I forgot I was doing something else. I was checking other charts, right? So I was checking other charts. So now, when immediately market drops to this point, now I moved down to my 15 minutes time frame to see the candlestick that are gonna close, right? Look at the candlestick that closed. This is a doji candlestick, a green doji candlestick that just closed right there. This would have been my entry. This place would have been my entry, and my stop loss down here. This would have been my entry, but I was not on. I didn't check this chart, so that's why we missed and we entered after 10 minutes time, right? You can see we would have made so much profit from here. We would have made so much profit from here. So that's it, guys. Now we are targeting this other high. I'm targeting this other high as my final take profit zone level, right? So even if it drops, you can see the lot size I'm using. I love using even on my big accounts. Even on my big accounts, you can see the one I opened with 2 lot size for places. Even on my big accounts, I know my risks very well. I calculate my risks very well. No matter how it spikes, it does not take so much from me, because if it takes so much from me, it's going to affect me and it'll make me feel like, wow, what am I doing? So I need to reduce the loss so that I'll be able to hold this trade. Now, the good thing is that if you reduce your risk very well, you'll be able to hold a position for a longer time to you achieve your target, your final target. But if you open it with big lot size, you'll be afraid, because you know that at this point, if it spikes at this point, to this point, it will take so much from you. So you might want to take the little profit you've seen here because the lot size is way too big. You might want to take the little profit you see here because you're panicking. You don't want market to go against you because of the risk, right? So now at this point now, if it spikes now with 0.5, if it spikes from here down to this point, it might take just like, $10 from me, from $260, $10 from me, and I won't feel bad, right? I won't feel bad because I still have like 250. But from here to this point, I will be making like $30 or thereabout, around that amount. Okay, around that amount, I might be making like 20 something dollars, depending. I'll calculate it properly, right? So that's it. I'll be able to hold this trade. Even if it spikes against me, I'll still make profit. So that's it, guys. You need to reduce your risk very well, manage your risk very well, know how much you're willing to give to the market. Okay, then yeah, that's it, guys. That is it. Okay, so you can see now on my big account, we make $13. That is over about over $50 already. All right. So I have so many signals coming through today.
Okay.
MTA, Major Trading Academy. So that's it, guys. So we had a little spike there. We had a little spike right there. All right. So it's still moving. Market is still moving. Okay, market is still moving, guys. All right. So you can see that we're gonna hold this trade. I'm likely gonna hold it till we get to this point. All right. Get to this point. Even if it hits our TP on the VIP I just dropped, I see the market is coming here, but I just want my people to take profit around this zone, and the few, and close and make good profit, and that's the main thing, right? But I can still hold and take the risk till this point around this high here, right? So that's it, guys. That's how to make money with trading, from forex trading. That's how to make money from forex trading. This is pure price action. This is pure price action. You can see my chart. There's no indicator at all. I didn't add any indicator on my chart. No single indicator on my chart. It's just purely price action. You can see with price action, I knew that market will be going up, but indicator will only tell you the overbought and oversold when markets get to that point. You don't have a plan. You don't have a plan. Indicator is just the one telling you what to do or what you shouldn't do. So you see, at this point, I was online to enter at this point. We're making good profit. That's why I keep advising you guys to learn price action. So even if it spikes, I know that it will keep going up. So that's why I told you guys to learn price action. It's very important. If you want to be successful in this trading, you want to start making consistent profits, learn price action. That's the only way to succeed. That's the only way to make it in forex trading. If you learn price action, don't just learn price action. Make sure that you pick a mentor, someone that knows how to trade price action, someone that can analyze price action perfectly well. Okay, you meet that person, talk to the person, start learning. This person now will give you his trading system. What I mean by trading system is strategy, what he has been doing. Like what I'm doing now is something I will be giving to you, and that's something I've been giving to my people. Look at this. This is the new batch. This is my new batch now, right? This is my new batch. You can see the interaction here. This is the signals that dropped for setups that dropped for today. Okay, yeah, just drop 25 for them to look out whenever market gets to that point. I explain why I'm giving that signal and everything. That why I'm waiting for markets to buy at that point. I tell them the reasons. The same thing here. So they are monitoring the market now, and you're learning really fast. With that, it helps them learn really fast. So you can see that. So we've been having classes every time, right? So guys, if you want to be successful, you need to start learning price action. You need to start learning and know how the market moves. That's the only way to be successful here. Stop using only indicators. I'm not saying you shouldn't use indicator. Indicator is just mainly for those that are busy, that doesn't have time to sit on their chart and be trading. So please join the free Telegram channel. Check the description of this video. All right, join the free Telegram channel. All right, and chat me up if you want to learn. We also do account management. account management is up. If you have up to $200 above, account management is available. I mentor people, I teach people how to trade, how to analyze the market, and also I provide signal like what I just did now. I provide signal what I just did now. Okay, now they are making profits right now. They are making good profits right now. So if even someone that with 0.5 it just made up to $4, right? It has made up to $4. Now before you know it, before we hit our TP, you might have made like $20 to $25. So that's it, guys. That's how we grow. Then we find another setup, Before you know it, we are growing, we're making profit, we're making good profit. So guys, please, I'm advising you guys to learn price action now. Okay, so if this video you think it's helpful, you think we are doing the right thing, we are legit, please smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, please. It's very important. At least support me as I'm supporting you. Right, this information I just dropped now is very vital, it's very important information. So please subscribe to this channel and drop some good comments, please. This is the best way to grow. The day you start learning price action is the day everything start changing for good. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys. Let's look out for profit, look out for money. It's your boy, Etiforex, the major, your best mentor out there. Learning price action is almost free. And if you join my academy, if you enroll for mentorship, it comes with my lifetime VIP signal. I will never pull you out of my channel. It comes with my lifetime VIP signal, right? So that'll be all for now, guys. I love you. Bye-bye. Please, I want to tell you guys that if you want to join my Telegram channel or you want to chat me up, please don't go to Telegram and start typing Etiforex so that you don't get scammed. There are so many Etiforex now. For example, let me go to Telegram and type Etiforex. Okay, let me search for Etiforex. Look at this. This person is a scam. Etiforex, right? This person is a scam. He's using my picture, right? So please, if you are going to Telegram, don't go there and type Etiforex. There are so many Etiforex. Look at this one. Scammers, right? Please, so they don't get scammed. Look for, let's say, Etiforex now. There are so many of them. They are not real. They're scammers, all scammers, right? So please, if you are, look at this, they're scammers, please. So if you want to join my platform, you want to talk to me, you want to do anything, please just go to my video link. You can see we have so many, like this one has over 1,000 subscribers. This person is a scam. This is not me. This person is a scam. This is not me. Look at that. This person will ask you to send money for them to do to double the money for you to actually okay, they will double your money. If you send $100, they will double the $100 for you to make maybe 200 or 300 or 400 depending. So please don't go there. So what you need to do, if you want to chat me up, you want to meet me, just go to this video or any video at all. You see my link, my Telegram link, or my WhatsApp link there. So just click on it, or WhatsApp number, click on it and chat me up.